When style and comfort meet, there's only one brand to turn to, and that is FitVille. Alright guys, in this segment of the video, this is where we show you guys the actual style of the sneakers. Photos don't do their sneakers justice, so we're going to slowly go over all the detail of the sneakers. So what I like about FitVille is they make sneakers for both men and women, and I have personally a ton of their sneakers, and then we got these for my wife. They last long. They are super padded inside. I don't know if you can see me how far down I can press in, but they are super soft inside. They last long and they look great. My wife especially loves the Velcro, so you can make it tight with just the Velcro. Overall, guys, if you're looking for a great, well, that's the thing about FitVille. They have so many different varieties. They got regular sneakers, they got shoes for walking, running, jogging, all weather, lounging. I mean, they have it all. And just look at the style and the craftsmanship. They really do care about their sneakers.